the Child Care and Protection Act, Section 70, notice to appropriate officers of charges against child. Subsection 1. Where a child to be brought before A, any court charged with an offense, or B, a children's court as being in need of care and protection. Okay, so they can be brought before the court for committing offense or being in need of care and protection. The person bringing the child before the court shall cause notice of the grounds on which the child is brought before the court, and of the date on which any such matter will be heard, to be served in accordance with subsection 2. Subsection 2 now. The notice referred to in subsection 1 shall be served within a reasonable time before such date. A. On a children's officer, if the child is to be brought before the court as being in need of care and protection. So the children's officer would have to get a copy of the notice. B. In any other case, on the probation officer and the aftercare officer, if any, of the district, and also C. on the children's advocate. So, however, that no such notice shall be necessary whenever a children's officer, the probation and aftercare officer, or the children's advocate, as the case may be, is the person bringing the child before the court. Okay. So if the children's officer is the one bringing the child before the court, there's no need for the children's officer to be notified, or any other person, right? It would make sense to notify somebody that the child is being brought before the court when it is the actual person who is bringing the child before the court. Alright, subsection 3. Upon the receipt of the notice referred to in subsection 1, it shall be the duty of the probation and aftercare officer on whom it is served to make such investigations and render available to the court such information as to the child's home surrounding, school record, age, health and character, as the probation and aftercare officer is able to obtain, and as, in his opinion, is likely to be of assistance to the court. So, once the aftercare officer receives the notice, or the probation officer, they need to get these things in order: where the child lives, school records, I guess that's performance, age, performance, attendance, and any other comments, the age, the health, and the character of the child. Alright. Section 71. Constitution of procedure in and appeal from the Children's Court, third schedule. We'll look at that in a different video.